Okay, let's go do this.
How is it? How is it? Can I taste it?
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait there, cover for the feet. Mommy, you put the seed on the plate.
It's so yummy, huh? No, don't do that. Use this. Is it too long? Mommy, to cut the straw?
Yeah, it's too long.
Okay, I'll cut it short. So you're enjoying your watermelon shake? Is it super yummy? Oh, don't shake it, baby.
Why?
Because I call it shake and you're gonna shake it. Mia?
No, Kieran, no.
Are you having fun? Mamaya mag-spill mo yan. Bakit kasi may placemat pa kayo eh? Kaarte-arte naman eh. Napaka-arte. Napaka-arteng bata. Sino maarte? Oh, pinapainom pa si Barbie.
Yeah, where's the bee?
Sino maarte?
Oh.
Si Juliana? Si Kira? O si Mia? O si Papa? Sino maarte?
Huh? Over here. Come outside.
Where's Papa?
Outside.
Where's your mommy? I miss your mommy. Where is she?
At Tokyo.
She's in Tokyo.
Yeah.
Layo ah. Is it yummy? Yummy? I have some too. Let me drink mine. This is too big for my... And that's my share.
Daddy, why are you inside my room? Daddy, why are you inside my watermelon room? Why inside my watermelon room? Daddy, why are you in my room? Because I wanted to try your watermelon juice and I raised it. Oh, thank you. Because this is good, Mama.
I'll give some to Papa.
You have more? Eat it.
Wow, my hopya is almost done.
Ooh.
Let me turn it around again.